can do it again, God. You can do it again, God. Oh, you can do it again. In the crushing, in the pressing, you are making new wine. In the soil now I surrender. You are breaking new ground. So I yield to you into your careful hand. God, I trust you, I don't need to understand. So just make me a vessel, make me an offering, make me whatever you want me to be. God, I came here with nothing but all you have given me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Oh, you can do it in me. Do it again. It's in the crushing and in the pressing, you are making new wine. And in the soul I surrender. You are breaking new ground. So I yield to you. It's when I trust you, I go. I don't even need to understand what you're doing. So make me a vessel. Make me an offering. You can make me whatever you want me to be. I came here, but all you, Jesus, you can do it in me, oh God. Jesus, bring new wine. Oh. Come on, lift those hands, come on. 'Cause where there is new wine, there is new power, there is new freedom. The kingdom is here. I lay down my own bread to carry on new paths today. Come on, lift those hands all over this room and declare with us, say, 'cause where there is new wine, there is new power. There is new power. Where there is new freedom. The kingdom is here. I've laid down my own flame to carry on. Just make me your vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. God, I came here with nothing but all you have given me. So Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Every voice say, Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Somebody lift up your hands and say, Jesus, bring our prayer tonight, God.